Welcome to today's episode of Organize Your World, where we explore innovative tools and techniques to enhance our productivity and knowledge management systems. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something that could revolutionize the way you manage your notes and knowledge. The org-supertag package, which adds a powerful dimension to org mode in Emacs. So, what exactly is org-supertag? Well, it enhances the tagging functionality of org mode, allowing tags not only to assign attributes to nodes, but also to manipulate them directly. Think of it like adding a superpower to your traditional note-taking system, one that helps you manage your knowledge more effectively. Imagine being able to attach multiple attributes to a piece of information and reorganizing it dynamically whenever you need a different perspective. Sounds powerful, right? Now let's unpack a few core concepts of org-supertag. First, we have the idea of a node. A node is basically an abstract information unit, which can be a heading or content within your notes. Every node comes with a unique identifier, making it easy to reference and query. This brings us to the supertag, which is like a metadata template that governs how nodes behave. With org-supertag, tagging becomes so much more than just labeling. It's about automation and organization. Here's a relatable analogy. Think of traditional note-taking as a library where each book has its own specific shelf. You can find a book based on its shelf placement, but rearranging shelves can be a massive task. Now imagine if each book could automatically reorder itself based on what you're looking for at that moment. That's the flexibility that org-supertag brings to the table. It treats knowledge as a network rather than a linear hierarchy. Let's think about some real-world applications of this. Whether you're managing projects, tasks, or even personal notes, the tagging system allows you to create multidimensional classifications. For example, one piece of knowledge can fall under various categorizations, such as project, status, and more. You can redefine and reorganize your knowledge anytime, leading to better insights and connections. It's like weaving a tapestry where every thread is interconnected. Now, this package isn't just about creating tags. It also enables behaviors, automated operations triggered by specific tags. Picture this. You have a task management system where tagging a task as @done not only marks it complete, but also records the time taken. You're essentially creating workflows that help you work smarter, not harder. And speaking of workflows, let's dive into a few commands. For instance, there's a command to create a supertag node from a current heading or to search nodes with specific tags. There's even a batch command to add tags to multiple nodes. Imagine the time saved. The query system is robust, allowing for complex searches across your entire tagging structure. When you find relevant information, you can then easily export your findings to different files or positions. It's about making your knowledge as accessible and actionable as possible. As we wrap up, it's essential to highlight something noteworthy. The changelog of org-supertag shows a commitment to evolution. With releases packed with features and bug fixes, it reflects an ongoing effort to refine this tool. The latest plans include even more query scopes and the initial integration of AI to enhance the tagging experience further. So whether you're a longtime Emacs user or just curious about optimal productivity strategies, I encourage you to explore org-supertag. It brings both structure and flexibility to knowledge management, empowering you to turn your information into a dynamic resource rather than a static one. Before we sign off, I'd love to pose a thought-provoking question for our listeners. How do you currently organize your notes? And can a system like org-supertag revolutionize your